I've found that Charlie and Trick play a lot better if I don't talk and if my music's on, because I always have music on, but I usually don't turn it on or turn it off for videos so that I don't have copyright issues on my videos. But this one we will just worry about the copyright issues. So he's playing with the Neko flies, and that was upstairs, and he just dragged it all the way downstairs. It's so cute when he does this. It happens maybe once every 2 weeks that he goes and finds it and drags it out. But what you got? What do you got? What you got, Booty Boo?